What have you smelled so far?
I've smelled mango and I think I smelled a flower.
What kind of
I
flower?
smelled 3 kinds of flowers, but I don't remember the names.
Okay, so what do you need to do?
I need to choose 2 of these smells and 2 of those. Yes, so right now I'm choosing the second one.
Can I see what's in your bag? Oh. Okay. All right.
Okay, and now dạ được.
Someone did still want Okay. Ready. This one smells more like green tea and chocolate. I just put on my clothes and smell good.
You like that one?
Yeah, I love it.
Oh.
엄마 내 거 한번 넣어줘.
You like smelling?
엄마 봐봐 이 커피를 뺐어.
Mix a little bit more.
이거 봐봐.
Yes.
Chocolate one.
I second. Please smell. Coffee well help. She smile a lot.
Don't want the cookie?
Dạ đúng.
Okay, guys, what did you just finish doing?
Making perfume. Making perfume.
Oh, how long did it take?
It took like an hour.
Took about an hour. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Okay, what was the most interesting? Were you happy with the smell that you came up with for your perfume? Loved it. Okay.
Where did coconuts come from?
Coconuts come from coconut trees.
They come from water.
No, but there's water inside the